Have you ever planned to start something important, but found yourself doing literally everything except that thing? You open your laptop and suddenly remember you need a snack, or a nap, or maybe just one YouTube video. And before you know it, hours have passed and the work still isn't done. If this sounds familiar, you're not lazy, you're human. And today, we're going to understand exactly why you procrastinate and how to stop it, step by step. And if you really want to learn English and manage your time better, then don't forget to subscribe to Learning English with NDM. Let's begin. Procrastination isn't about being careless or irresponsible. It's not even really about time. It's about emotion, more specifically, avoiding negative emotion. That's right. When you delay a task, it's usually because it feels uncomfortable. Maybe the task feels too big. Or you're scared you won't do it perfectly. Or it's just so boring that your brain looks for anything else to focus on. And that's when procrastination begins. But the good news is this: you can train your brain to work with you, not against you. Here are 6 simple but powerful steps to help you break the cycle. Step 1. Break big tasks into small ones. One of the biggest reasons we procrastinate is because the task feels overwhelming. For example, write a research paper sounds like climbing a mountain, but open a Word file or write the first sentence feels manageable. So here's what to do. Don't try to finish the entire task at once. Just focus on the next tiny step. Ask yourself, what's the smallest possible action I can take to begin? Can you open the document? Can you write one sentence? Can you review one paragraph? Once you begin, your brain sees progress, and that progress gives you momentum to keep going. Step 2. Use the 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. Replying to a message, filing a paper, drinking water, making your bed. These quick wins clear your mind and reduce stress, but more importantly, they create an identity shift. You start to believe, I'm someone who takes action, and that belief is powerful. So next time you catch yourself thinking, I'll do it later, stop. Ask, can I do this in 2 minutes or less? If yes, do it right now. Step 3. Remove distractions from your space. Let's be honest, your phone is probably your biggest distraction. Mine too. You say you'll just check one message, and 45 minutes later, you're deep into reels, memes, or random videos. So here's what to do. Don't rely on willpower. Change your environment. Put your phone in another room. Use focus mode or apps like Forest or Stay Focused. Close extra tabs. Work in full screen mode. Even small adjustments like turning off notifications or wearing headphones can improve focus. Make distraction difficult. Make focus easy. Step 4. Use the Pomodoro technique. Working for hours without breaks doesn't make you productive. It makes you tired. That's why the Pomodoro technique is so effective. Here's how it works. Set a timer for 25 minutes. Focus on one task, no multitasking. When the timer ends, take a 5-minute break. Repeat. After 4 rounds, take a longer 15-30-minute break. Why does this work? Because the time limit tricks your brain. 25 minutes? I can do that. And once you start, it's much easier to continue. Try it. You'll be amazed at what you can get done in just one Pomodoro. Step 5. Forgive yourself when you mess up. Let's be real. No strategy is perfect. You will have bad days. You'll slip, delay, and lose focus. That doesn't mean you failed. Guilt is a heavy emotion, and unfortunately, it feeds procrastination. The more you beat yourself up, the more you avoid starting again. So here's what to do. Forgive yourself. Literally say it. It's okay, I can start again now. Take one small step and get back on track. Not because you're perfect, but because you're human. Step 6. Know your why. Motivation fades, discipline gets tired, but purpose, that keeps going. Why do you want to stop procrastinating? What's the goal behind your task? Maybe you're learning English to build a better future. Maybe you're studying to support your family. Maybe you're tired of wasting time and ready to grow. Whatever your reason, make it clear. Write it down. Stick it on your wall. Make it your lock screen. When you feel the urge to procrastinate, remind yourself why you started. That why is your fuel, and on hard days, it'll carry you forward. Now let's take a breath. You've just learned 6 tools that can completely change how you work, think, and live. Let's quickly review them. 1. Break tasks into smaller parts so your brain doesn't feel overwhelmed. 2. Use the 2-minute rule for quick wins that build confidence. 3. Remove distractions so you don't rely on willpower. 4. Try the Pomodoro method to stay focused in short bursts. 5. Forgive yourself when you slip and restart immediately. 6. Know your why so your work always has meaning. You can also find a PDF in description. Now, I want you to ask yourself one question. What's the one small action I can take right now? Can you make a list? Set a timer? Put your phone away? You don't need to do everything today. You just need to begin. Because the journey to change doesn't start with a huge decision. It starts with one tiny step, and that step starts now. If this video helped you, give it a like. And if you want more tips on self-growth, motivation, and learning English, subscribe to Learning English with NDM. New videos come every week, and every step you take brings you closer to the person you want to become. Thanks for watching. Now close this video and go take that step.